Adventures of Tobit and Anna, a journey in wellness. All right, you two. Feast of Unleavened Bread is right around the corner, and we need to get rid of all the leaven from the house before the Passover, Mom explained. Think you'll find more leaven than me, sis? Tobit asked. You know it. I already see some leaven in that cookie jar over there, Anna replied as she scouted the items on the kitchen counter. Hey, wait, I can take care of that for you, Anna, Toby said with a grin. You'll take care of it all right in your belly, Anna replied as she picked up the cookie jar. You heard Mom. We got to get rid of the leaven. If it's in my belly, then that means we got rid of it, Tobit said convincingly. You're right, Tobit, but that does not mean we're going to eat all the leaven you find, Mom joked. We certainly will do our best to use it all before the feast begins, though. In fact, if you two find at least 12 things with leaven in it, I'll make these brownies for dessert tonight. Deal? Deal, exclaimed Tobit. Sure, but why 12, Mama? Asked Anna. For the 12 tribes, bellowed Dad as he headed to the front door. That's right, said Mom. Okay, 12 it is, Anna said. And these cookies are numero uno. Numero what? Tobit asked. Numero uno, mi amigo. Number one, a familiar voice said from the front hallway. Sammy, yelled Tobit and Anna as they ran to greet their friend. Hola, mis amigos. Tu papa let me in. I was just stopping by to see if you all wanted to go with me to the park. We love to, but we have to get ready for Passover and the Feast of Unleavened Bread, said Tobit. We were just counting the items with leaven and collecting them. Oh, that's why you all were counting. Yeah, me and my mom's getting ready for the feast also. She's been getting rid of all of our snacks. I grabbed a couple of my yums before I left, though, Sammy exclaimed. We know how much you love your yums, Sammy, joked Tobit. But you should check the ingredients to see if they have leaven. You know, Sammy, if your yums have leaven in them, you have to get rid of them before the feast starts, Anna said. Oh, I didn't think about that, Sammy said. Well, you are right, but how can I check the ingredients? Sammy asked. The ingredients for foods are listed on the packaging, usually on the back, Tobit explained. But foods that aren't inside packaging, like bananas or tomatoes, where can I find those ingredients? Sammy asked. Fruits and vegetables like bananas, grapes, carrots, or tomatoes only have one ingredient, so they usually don't have an ingredients list, answered Anna. Oh, I'm picking up what you're putting down, Sammy said. Ha! Tobit and Anna laughed. If you want, we can take a look at the ingredients with you, Sammy, Tobit offered. That would be great, amigos, Sammy replied. Okay, so look here, Sammy, Anna said as she pointed to the nutrition facts that were written on the Yums package. These are the nutrition facts. These are like a code that helps you understand what's in your food and how it helps your body, Anna continued. Serving size tells you how much of the food you should eat in one serving. If you eat more than this amount, you need to multiply the other numbers by how many servings you eat, Toby continued. Calories give you energy to play, think, and grow. But too many calories can make you gain extra weight, Anna went on. Other things like proteins, fats, carbohydrates, and vitamins can help give you energy, build muscles, and grow strong, Tobit finished. Wow, I didn't even know this stuff, Sammy exclaimed. But which one tells me if it has leaven or not? That information, my friend, is in the ingredients, Tobit explained. The ingredients tell you all the different things that are mixed together to make your food. The less ingredients, the better. In this case, you're looking for leaven or yeast in the ingredients of your yums. Do you see it? See, it adds yeast, Sammy said. So it looks like it does not pass the test, Sammy, Anna said. That's okay. At least now I know. Plus, that means now I'll just have to eat all the yums that I have before the feast starts. Sammy grinned. All right, Sammy, now that we helped you, we need your help finding the rest of the leaven here. Are you up to it? Tobit asked. Claro, amigos. Especially if I can get some of those brownies your mom was talking about. Oh, Sammy, be not insatiable in any dainty thing, nor too greedy upon meats, Tobit admonished. You don't want to eat all of your yums plus brownies. You'll be sick for sure. Yes, this Bible verse is giving us some good advice about how we should eat and enjoy food. It's saying that we shouldn't eat too much of our favorite treats or be too greedy with our food, Dad interjected. Lo siento, everyone. I will be mindful from now on. Sammy apologized. It's okay, Sammy. Great job accepting correction. Now, are you all ready to find this leaven? I'm looking forward to those brownies, Dad said. Oh, yes. Yes. Sí, vámonos. Leavening agents are ingredients that make dough rise and become fluffy. Common leavening agents include yeast, baking powder, and baking soda. Sammy, Tobit, and I could use as much help as possible gathering all the foods with leaven in them before the Passover begins. Can you help us find the items with leaven by checking the ingredients on the next pages?
Look at a snack in your house and check the ingredients. Does it have yeast, baking powder, or baking soda? Tell us what you found in the comments to enter our giveaway. Follow Tobit and Anna on the rest of their journey inside this book this Passover. Subscribe, like, and share.